Is your GMC key fob not working? It's likely the CR2032 battery needs replacing. This video shows you how to do it yourself in minutes, saving time and money. The CR2032 battery is a non-rechargeable lithium battery, button-shaped, with a diameter of 20 millimeters and a height of 3.2 millimeters. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool. First, locate the notch on the fob. Gently pry it open. Pop out the old battery, noting the positive side faces up. Insert the new battery the same way, snap the case back together, and test. This is an essential skill for any GMC owner, especially with models like the Yukon, Sierra, and Canyon. Avoid forcing the case open, as this can damage the internal components. Ensure the battery's polarity is correct to prevent frying the electronics. If your GMC is a 2025 model or newer, check your infotainment system for low battery alerts. Consider investing in high-quality batteries for longer life. A common mistake is reversed battery insertion, and low-quality batteries may fail prematurely. If you mess up your key fob and the internal components are damaged, it may void warranties, so users are advised to follow precise steps or consult dealers.